Today we will learn practically what is anchor text. Anchor text in SEO refers to the clickable, visible text in a hyperlink. It is typically highlighted in a different color and underlined to indicate that it is a link. Anchor text helps users and search engines understand what the linked page is about. Types of anchor text. 1. Exact match. Contains keywords that exactly match the target keyword of the linked page. Example, waterproofing services. 2. Partial match. Includes variations or related phrases of the target keyword. Example, affordable waterproofing services. 3. Branded. Uses the brand name as the anchor. Example, ABC waterproofing. 4. Naked URL. The URL itself is used as the anchor. Example, www.example.com. 5. Generic. Uses common phrases. Example, click here or learn more. 6. Image anchor. When an image is used as a link, its alt text serves as the anchor. Importance of anchor text in SEO. Relevance. Helps search engines understand the content of the linked page. User experience. Guides users to relevant resources and improves navigation. Link building. Plays a role in the authority and ranking of the linked page. Best practices. Use descriptive and relevant anchor text. Avoid over-optimizing with exact match keywords. Maintain natural, user-friendly phrasing. Diversify anchor text to avoid penalties from search engines. Proper use of anchor text can significantly enhance your website's SEO performance.